Hi, this is Pooja. In this video, I'll be covering the purchase workflow in our ERP system. The purchases start with a quotation. In this stage, the purchase department makes a quotation for various products to the suppliers. If the supplier agrees to the quotation, it will be confirmed to a purchase order. Then the supplier would supply us with the necessary products. On receiving the products, we'll have to invoice the supplier with the necessary amount. So let's log in as a purchase manager for making a purchase. So before making a quotation, we'll just go to products and see the products that we would like to purchase from the supplier. Say I would like to purchase plastic chairs and tables. The current quantity is 10 and 5 respectively. On successful purchasing, we'll see the quantities have increased. So now let's go and make a quotation. Okay, the first thing we'll have to do is select the supplier from whom we would like to buy the products. Say I want to buy it from Daniel. Once the supplier is selected, his other details like his price list address gets automatically populated. Then I select the products that I would like to buy from Daniel. I would like to buy plastic chairs, say a quantity of 10, and save it. Now in the same quotation, I could make a quotation for multiple products. So now I'll go and select the tables that I would like to purchase from Daniel. Okay. Say I want to just buy 5 of these at the unit price of 10 and save it. Okay. So once this quotation is ready, I could save it. I could also set the various delivery and invoicing methods. By default, the ERP system will populate this with the default values. The invoicing control could be either set to from order, from picking, or manual. From order meaning the purchase order once confirmed, the invoice will be generated and will be in the draft stage. However, if it's from picking, then the warehouse department will have to create an invoice once the goods have been received. Or it could be manual, wherein we'll have to manually go and create the invoice for the supplier. We'll go with the default option, that is the from order, and save this quotation. Then we can print out the quotation and send it to our supplier. We could either mail it to him, post it to him, whichever one is convenient. If the supplier is happy, we'll convert it to a purchase order. Let's assume that the supplier wants to go ahead with this quotation. So we'll convert it to a purchase order. As you see, the purchase order is confirmed and the reception is ready to process. That is, the goods are ready to be received at the warehouse. Also, we see that the invoice is waiting for validation. That's because we selected the invoicing control as from order. If we had selected the other two, the invoice wouldn't be generated at this stage. So now let's log in as a warehouse manager and receive the products. Okay, so it will be in incoming shipments. You have to search for the shipments based on the purchase order number. Our purchase order number was 23. So we open it up and see that a quantity of 10 plastic chairs and 5 plastic tables are there in the incoming shipments. We'll process this and validate it, saying that the goods have been successfully received. Now if you go to products, you will see that the quantities have been increased by the respective amount. Okay, since the products have now been received, the customer would have to be invoiced for the same. So the accounting department would find the invoices in supplier invoices. We see that our purchase order invoice is in the draft stage. Here, accounting department will look for various things like the unit price at which we have bought the products, the quantities, and if everything looks okay, he would go and approve it. Once it is approved, he would go and pay the supplier by selecting a suitable payment method. Now here we see the supply invoices and outstanding transaction, and here are the credits. If everything looks okay, we would validate it saying that we have paid the supplier. Okay, so now I'll just log in as admin and show you the reporting section in purchases. So we'll go to purchase analysis, which shows us by the supplier the various products that we have bought from the suppliers, the quantities, the average price, total price. We could even go for the graphical view and view it. Also similarly, there will be reception analysis and so on. This is all for purchases in our ERP system. Thank you.